my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please like, comment, well, leave your sweet comments, and also subscribe to my channel. Right now I am currently, of course you can see, in the car in the parking lot at the mall. I have a birthday dinner to attend tonight, and you've already seen the clips of me at the bowling alley slash skating slash game slash whatever else. But yes, it is my cousin's birthday. Actually, I have two cousins it was their birthday or whatever. But yes, we are doing she's doing like a girls night dinner thing. I don't think she changed it up, but she said all black with, I think, a little bit of red. So I'm gonna do all black. My nails are still red. I do need to get them done, but I'm not gonna have time to do all that. So I'm getting ready to go in here to kind of spice up my outfits, and I gotta run to Walmart too to get a couple of house essentials, and I think I need to go to TJ Maxx, I think. Yeah, so let's go. Y'all, do I look like a boy? Oh yeah, I just made it to TJ Maxx, so I'm finna go in here. I saw a cute little bag that I wanted. Y'all, I tried to hide it. And that's been like, what was it, last week when I came? So yeah, y'all, if this bag is still here, it's nothing but God. Yes, so I did get some shoes. Let me show y'all real quick before I get out. And I got shoes at home, but I just feel like when I go places, anywhere, out of town, out to eat, to the movies, whatever, I feel like I gotta have something new. If it's just a pair of socks on my feet, I gotta have something new. And I don't know why. I need help. But I had, I saw these and I could not pass them up, y'all. I could not pass them up. Oh, I had found a size 7, and this 7, my feet was hanging out the back of them. I'm a size 7, but just not in these. So I kept looking around the store, and I finally saw some more, and I had to get a 7.5. And I found some cute little shades. Okay, y'all, so yes, I did find the bag. This is it. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's got a lot of stuff on it, but I'm gonna take some of this off because we not doing that. But y'all, I hid this thing pretty good behind some bags because it was the only one I saw the last time I was here. But yes, I just needed something quick, something new that I could wear, cute, whatever to fit my vibe that I'm going for. So yes, honeys, but I'm not gonna go to Walmart today. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to go because I'm running out of time. I want to rest a little bit and kind of upload some of these clips or whatever. So whew, let me make my way to the house. Y'all wave. Let me zoom in. Okay, period.
Tomorrow better stop. I hate you.
Oh, God. We are here, getting ready to eat.
Green sauce and grits. I was looking at the red beans and
we
rice.
finna get red beans and rice over here. We ate.
Oh,
Look at YouTube. Don't y'all question me on why I got my glasses on, because I'm
Who you
ugly.
take them in the hotel?
I ain't gonna say. I can't say right now.
The lighting good. Back there. Good. Go down there. Okay. And that's another token. Oh, the hell. Mom, what you order?
What y'all food is? Y'all got some money. Y'all want?
Oh, my bad, y'all.
Man, yes. You want to taste it? Just taste a little bit.
It's good.
It's so good.
Can't have a lot, though.
That's sauce too. Taste that saucy.
Take the cornbread. That's what's good.
Mama too?
Oh, well, they run in the family then.
Mama too? Saucy.
Said 20, almost to 30. 24.
Y'all, I see some juice in here. I don't know. Have y'all?
Vinegar.
That's not. That's not vinegar.
Yes, it is.
What they say on there? Blue wood.
Raspberry.
Okay.
That is good.
Okay, you guys. I just made it home. I'm getting ready to put the groceries away and probably cook something because I am kind of hungry. So yes, this is pretty much the end of the video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.